Hi guys, welcome back. So today gusto ko lang i-share kung kumusta ang buhay ko dito sa US as a Filipina stay-at-home wife. So, share ko lang, noong una akong dumating, sobrang daming bago. Iba yung culture, lifestyle, pati simpleng bagay tulad ng grocery shopping at pakikisalamuha sa tao. Sa Pinas kasi sanay ako na palaging may kasama, maingay at punong-puno ng tawanan. Dito mas tahimik at minsan nakakalungkot din. As a stay at home, araw-araw busy sa bahay, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry at paggawa ng paraan para maging maayos yung home namin. May mga araw na nagtatanong ako sa sarili ko, enough ba yung ginagawa ko? Kasi dito halos lahat laging on the go at super busy sa trabaho. Pero alam niyo, what keeps me strong is my husband. Dahil sa kanya, I feel so blessed. He appreciates even the little things. Like kapag nagluluto ako ng Filipino food, or kapag ginagawa akong cozy ang bahay, lagi niya akong pinapaalala na importante yung role ko at hindi ako nag-iisa. Oo, totoo. Homesickness is real. Miss ko yung family bonding sa Pinas, yung simpleng joys, at syempre, yung lutong bahay na amoy pa lang kumakapit na sa buong kapitbahay. Pero natutunan ko rin i-appreciate ang maliliit na bagay dito. Video calls with family, cooking my favorite Filipino dishes, at syempre yung mga simpleng lakad at food trips namin ng mag-asawa. Life here in the US is not perfect. My sacrifices, my challenges, but it's also full of blessings. And for me, the greatest blessings is having a husband who loves, supports, and values me every single day. Kaya, payo ko sa mga kapwa ko Pilipinas na stay at home din, na tulad ko. Remember, hindi ka just a stay at home. You are the heart of your home. And if you have a love and support of your partner, that's already one of the life biggest blessings. So, guys, thank you. Thank you for listening my story.